Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do a very important thing of your syllabus, that is verb. Verb comes from the Latin verum, meaning a word. It is so called because it is the most important word in a sentence. A verb is a word used to assist something about some person or thing. A verb may tell us what a person or thing does. Examples: he sings a song, the clock ticks. What is done to a person or thing as the teacher scolded him. The window pane is broken. What a person or thing is as the lion is dead. I feel sorry for what I did. Actually, word tells in the sentence what are the things happening. Sometimes it tells what the subject is doing. Sometimes verb tells what is happening on the subject. Sometimes it tells how the things are affected. Just as in example 1 you have seen what a person or thing does. He sings a song. What this person is doing? He is singing a song. Second, what is done to a person? Meaning the teacher scolded him. So what is happening on him? It is the teacher scolded. The word scolded is the verb. Sing, clock ticks, scolded, broken, is dead, I did, feel. These all are called verbs. A verb often consists of more than one word but there is no compulsion that in a word only one verb will be. As you can see, I have read the book. Have and read. Two verbs are used in this sentence. The ball has been lost. In this sentence also, has been lost. All are verbs. So, it is not necessary that in a verb only one word is called verb in a sentence. It is not necessary. Now we will talk about various forms of verb. There are three forms of verb: infinitive, past simple and past participle. This is, dear children, this is very, very important. If you want to understand English language, you should know infinitive, past simple and past participle of verb. This is very, very important. Just see the example. Infinitive be, past simple was, past participle been. Blow, blew, blown. Drink, drank, drink, drank, drunk. Feed, fed, fed. Hang, hung, hung. Know, knew, known, known. Lead, led, led. You can see, beta, when you are observing infinitive, past simple and past participle form of the given verbs, sometime you can see in some of the words like hang, hung, hung, past simple and past participle is same. But in another word, know, knew, known, it can be same, it can be vary as well. Now we will do some exercises where sometime they are same, in some of the words there are different words. First exercise is you write the past simple and past participle of these verbs. Meaning you have to write down first form is already written, second and third form of various words. I am telling you: make, made, made. Cut, cut, cut. Get, got, got. Bring, brought, brought. Pay, paid, paid. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. Buy, bought, bought. Sit, sat, sat. Leave, left, left. happen, happened, happened. Hear, heard, heard. Put, put, put. Catch, caught, caught. Watch, watched, watched. All these verbs have same simple past and past participle form is same in this exercise. Meaning first form of the verb is given, second form and third form you have to supply. And I have told you the answers of every word. You will make a box like the previous slides, that way it was presented. In first column you will write all these words, and in the second column you will write down second form of the verb. Third column you will write third form of the verb. But in this second and third form is same in every verb. I am repeating once again. Make, made, made. Cut, cut, cut. Get, got, got. Bring, bought, bought. Now the next exercise starts. Write the past participle and past simple past and past participle of these verbs. Here different are there. In first column you will write these all. Second column, break, broke, broken. Begin, began, begun. Ate, eat, ate, eaten. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Run, ran, run. Speak, spoke, spoken. Write, wrote, written. Come, came, come. Know, knew, known. Take, took, taken. Go, went, gone. Give, gave, given. Throw, threw, thrown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. I repeat, you will make 3 boxes to solve this exercise. First box, first column, you will write all these words. These are the first form of the verb. Second column will come past simple form of the verb. Third column, past participle form of the verb will come. In simple word, we call them first form, second form and third form of the verb. I am repeating the answers of every word once again. Break, broke, broken. Begin, began, begun. Eat, ate, eaten. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Run, ran, run. Speak, spoke, spoken. Write, wrote, written. Come, came, come. Know, knew, known. Take, took, taken. Go, went, gone. Give, gave, given. Throw, threw, thrown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. I hope your things are clear. 3 boxes. First box, first column, first form of verb. Second column, second form of verb. Third column, third form of the verb will come.